Okay, good morning. So now we start with another article from this chapter microwaves. We just see the advantages of the microwaves. So what are the advantages that we see? Just 3 to 4 advantages are there. So we just briefly look at them. The various reasons pertaining to the wide use of microwaves are underlined. So first will be the broader bandwidth, then second will be the improved directivity and higher gain of antennas, then higher reliability and the lower transmitter power requirement. So these are the advantages of this microwave. So first we take the bandwidth. So as we know, as we just recently were using the telegraph, now the speech, music and video signal, they may be transmitted directly through the wire line or cable as a baseband signal covering baseband width of each of signal. म्हणजे आपण जे फर्स्ट मागच्या सेममध्ये लास्ट सेम वी आर सीन द मॉड्युलेशन, हाऊ द सिग्नल्स कॅन बी ट्रान्सफर्ड थ्रू द केबल्स, what is baseband transmission, what is wire communication, wireless communication, that we have seen. So the telegraph, speech or music and the video signals, they may be transmitted. Signals, speech म्हणजे आपण जे बोलतो ते, म्युझिक म्हणजे कुठलंही गाणं. So telegraph, speech, music and video signals may be transmitted directly through the wire line or cable as a baseband line signal covering baseband width for each type of signals. We know, आता हे जे आपल्याला माहिती आहे की टेलिग्राफ चॅनल रिक्वायर्स बँडविड्थ ऑफ 120 हर्ट्ज. म्हणजे टेलिग्राफ जे आपण आता सध्या बंद पडलेत पण सोबत टेलिग्राम किंवा टेलिग्राफ वापरायचे. So that channel requires a bandwidth of near about at 120 Hz. The speech requires the bandwidth of 2 to 3 kHz, and the music channel requires bandwidth of the order of 10 to 20 kHz. Each one has the base bandwidth, whereas the bandwidth requirement by TV channel is very high. म्हणजे ही कशी झाली आता ही टेलिग्राफची किती आहे 120 हर्ट्ज फक्त, स्पीचची किती आहे 2 ते 3 kHz, म्युझिक चॅनलची किती असते 10 ते 20 kHz. तर त्याचप्रमाणे आपण जर टी व्ही चॅनल जर बघितलं तर त्याची की बँडविड्थ खूप जास्त असते, बिंग किती असते 7 MHz टू इन्क्लूड द व्हिडिओ बँडविड्थ ऑफ 5 MHz टुगेदर विथ द बँडविड्थ ऑफ द फ्रिक्वेन्सी मॉड्युलेटेड ऑडिओ सिग्नल. म्हणजे द बँडविड्थ रिक्वायर्ड बाय द टी व्ही चॅनल इज व्हेरी हाय, बिंग 7 MHz टू इन्क्लूड द व्हिडिओ बँडविड्थ ऑफ 5 MHz टुगेदर विथ द बँडविड्थ ऑफ द फ्रिक्वेन्सी मॉड्युलेटेड ऑडिओ सिग्नल. कारण व्हिडिओ ॲज वेल आपण आवाजसुद्धा ऐकतो, बरोबर आहे. So this is the requirement of the TV channel. Now the entire frequency range up to 1000 MHz or 1 GHz is crowded with various radio channels, telegraph channels, TV channels, etc. Also with the advantages of frequency modulation, we have to go in for higher bandwidth in order to achieve a high SN ratio. Thus the band congestion was becoming a major problem in the radio communication. Hence, keeping in view all these things, we have to go in for micro frequencies. In microwave range, the number of channels that can be accommodated simultaneously in any single microwave band is very large. So this will be the band, due to bandwidth, this will be very advantageous. कारण याचं जर बघितलं आपण प्रत्येकाचं टेलिग्राम म्हणा, म्युझिक, स्पीचचं ते जर टी व्ही चॅनलचं तर बँड कंजेशनचा प्रॉब्लेम याच्यामध्ये मेजर प्रॉब्लेम येतो. ते जर आपण मायक्रोवेव्ह जर वापरलं, इन मायक्रोवेव्ह रेंज द नंबर ऑफ चॅनल्स दॅट कॅन बी accommodated simultaneously in any single microband is very large. So this is the one of the advantages of the microwave. Then another will be improved directivity. Another will be what? Improved directivity and the gain of the antennas. So at the microwave frequency, the size of dipole is very small. Hence we may have an aerial array consisting of greater number of dipoles giving very high directivity and gain compared to the omnidirectional antenna. However, to have a wide bandwidth of antenna instead of an array, a parabolic reflector antenna with a horn feed is universally employed at the microwaves to have high directivity and gain, the two antenna parameters being proportional to each other. So this is one of the another advantage of the improved directivity. Then third, we are in reliability. So in the radio communication, MF and HF band, the propagation of radio waves takes place by reflection from the F and E layers of the ionosphere, whose concentrations at any location varies widely with time and weather condition. Hence the signal received varies widely with the time and weather. Hence, the energy received by the receiver is not of uniform strength, but there are great time variations in the strength of received signal. Though the transmitted power may be constant, thus giving rise to a fading effect. But at the microwave frequency, there is less fading since the propagation of microwaves from transmitter to receiver takes place by line of sight propagation through the neutral atmosphere. As the frequency increases, the reception becomes clearer in the micro ranges with still less fading, as the fading at microwave occurs only in the presence of atmospheric turbulence created by the winds in the atmosphere, while the ionosphere is transparent to the microwaves, allowing stable propagation between satellite and the earth-based microwave communication links. These are the one of the reliability. We are having reliability in the microwave. We can just avoid the fading problem or fading effect using the microwave microwave waves. So fading effect will be very minimized in the using the microwaves. And another advantage is will be the power requirements. So at the microwave, the power requirements of the transmitter become very small as compared to that at the MF and HF. म्हणजे एम एफ आणि एच एफमध्ये जी पॉवर रिक्वायरमेंट ती खूप जास्त असते. बट कम्पेअर टू दॅट मायक्रोवेव्ह जर वापरले आपण तर पॉवर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द ट्रान्समिटर पॉवर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द ट्रान्समिटर बिकम व्हेरी स्मॉल, खूप कमी लागते ड्यू टू द हाय गेन ऑफ द, म्हणजे त्याचं कारण काय, ड्यू टू द हाय गेन ऑफ द अँटेनाज ॲट द मायक्रोवेव्ह. The basic configuration of the transmitter as well as the receiver at the microwave is similar to that in MF and HF band, but the active and passive components used are different. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण कॉमन वापरतो ते वेगळे असतात. द ओनली डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ मायक्रोवेव्ह बिंग द नीड फॉर अ नंबर ऑफ रिपीटर स्टेशन, as a microwave line of sight link over the ground cannot have a range greater than about 40 to 60 km due to curvature of the Earth's surface. For Earth space communication with satellite, the range is about 3 orders of magnitude higher, being about 36,500 km for geostationary satellite with circular equatorial orbit. So microwaves have a wide range of other application areas like consumer, industrial, biomedical and chemical applications, electron, paramagnetic resonance and navigational aid. So these are the advantages of the microwave. Now there are a number of applications of the microwave we are using nowadays. So microwave has microwave energy in fact is a heating effect, just an energy form energy. So microwave energy has an effect and heating effect just as any other form of energy because of very short wavelength of microwaves and consequent compact circuitry. This heating effect has got a wide variety of non-military or civilian applications including microwave ovens, microwave diathermy and microwave drying. म्हणजे याचा जो इफेक्ट असतो मायक्रोवेव्ह, आय जस्ट आय विल शो यू. So these are the advantages we have seen, power requirement and that. So मायक्रोवेव्हचा वापर जो करतो आपण आता जनरली त्याचा जो इफेक्ट आहे हिटिंग इफेक्ट दॅट हॅज गॉट अ वाईड व्हरायटी ऑफ नॉन मिलिटरी अँड ऑर सिव्हिलियन ॲप्लिकेशन. मायक्रोवेव्हचा जो हिटिंग इफेक्ट आहे त्याचा खूप प्रमाणात उपयोग होतो नॉन मिलिटरी आणि सिव्हिलियन ॲप्लिकेशनमध्ये, इंक्लुडिंग त्यामध्ये काय काय मायक्रोवेव्ह ओव्हन्स त्याचा आपण सगळेजण वापरतो. देन मायक्रोवेव्ह डायथर्मी अँड मायक्रोवेव्ह ड्राईंग. So microwave ovens are in fact used for very quick and uniform home cooking of food materials. Since the food is cooked by the waves penetrating inside the entire food material to all depths without any overheating on the outside surface of the material. Likewise, microwave diathermy machines also produce heat inside the muscle without overheating of the skin. And microwave drying machines are used in the printing industry, microwave curing of rubber, tire and asphalt from the soaked water, in microwave material processing like thawing, drying and heating and also in agriculture industries for vacuum drying of sliced parallel root, cotton seed, microwave treatment of seed, drying of field corns and heating of corn fields, warming of plants for use of insecticides in grain, tobaccos and pecan meal, and for the pasteurization of milks. Even for the forest product, microwaves are applied for drying of veneer and bending of wood. So these are the different variety use of the microwaves we are just seeing, and all these uses are the non-military or civilian applications. For in the military application, there is a wide range of applications will be available that we are just going to see. That is radar. So that was a very important use of microwaves. All the countries in the world, they are using this microwave range for the applications of radar. So these are just we have seen that microwave ovens, ज्याच्यामध्ये ओव्हन म्हणजे वापरतो आपण. So it will just use for the quick and uniform home cooking of food material. And see, the food is cooked by the waves penetrating inside the entire food material and all depths without any overheating on the outside surface of the material. म्हणजे ओव्हनमध्ये एखादा पदार्थ ठेवला आपण तर तो त्या वेव्ह जे पूर्ण आतमध्ये जाऊन आतमध्ये पूर्ण त्याला कुक करून वरती सरफेस असतं त्याला कुठल्याही प्रकारचं डॅमेज होत नाही आणि तर म्हणजे ओव्हरहीटिंग होत नाही आउटसाइड सरफेस ऑफ द मटेरियल. त्याचप्रमाणे मायक्रोवेव्ह डायथर्मी मशीन्स आर ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस हीट इनसाइड द मसल विदाउट ओव्हरहीटिंग ऑफ द स्किन. आणि मायक्रोवेव्ह ड्रायिंगमध्ये काय मशीन्स आर यूज इन द प्रिंटिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, देन मायक्रोवेव्ह क्युरिंग ऑफ रबर, असे वेगवेगळ्या याच्यामध्ये वापरतात. तर म्हणजे याचा उपयोग असा आहे, उपयोग वाईड रेंजमध्ये. आणि हे जे सगळे युजेस आहेत हे सगळे कसे दे आर ऑल नॉन मिलिटरी ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑर सिव्हिलियन ॲप्लिकेशन. याची मिलिटरी ॲप्लिकेशन खूप वेगळी आणि खूप चांगले आहेत ते. आणि सगळ्याकडे म्हणजे त्याची खूप त्याचं सध्या या मायक्रोवेव्हला खूप स्कोप आहे भयानक. म्हणजे वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल रडारमध्ये म्हणजे सध्या जे रडार जे वापरतात त्याची इतकी ॲडव्हान्स आहे टेक्नॉलॉजी ती की वी कांट इमॅजिन अबाउट दॅट. So these are the uses we have applications we have seen that they are all non-military and civilian applications. So military applications will be other different ones that though just we going to study about the radar. So what is radar means, what is the types of radars we are having, how they can be work, and different types of radar also we have to study. How the working of that different types of radar will be going on, so that we have to study. So in detail we have to study the radar systems. So this is all about the microwave applications or applications of microwaves, and all they are non-military applications or civilian applications we have seen. Okay. So in the next period we will just go with the definition of radar and study radar in detail. Okay. So radars are nothing but it is the radar. It is a short form of what? Radio detection and ranging. Radar systems or radar is a short form of radio detection and ranging. So it is being used extensively for gathering information about the distant object or targets. ज्याचा उपयोग खूप वाईड आहे. We should just go for the basic principles of the radars, then what is the radar equation, all that we are going to study. Then also we have to study the different types of radar, that is pulse radar, continuous wave radar. Okay, so that will take in the next period. Thank you.